Okay, this video is to go over on how to do summary statistics on the TI-84Plus graphing calculator. So I've created this set of data here. It's got 15 integers in it from 0 to 50. And we're going to enter the data in the calculator and get the calculator to give us the summary statistics. So the first thing we have to do is when we have our calculator is we've got to give it the data. And to do that, we're going to put the data into a list. So we're going to press the stat key. And we're going to edit a list. So I'm going to select number 1. And we can see 5 lists by default. So I'm going to enter this data all into L1 coming down a straight column. So I'm going to say 27, 8, 43, 12, 31, 19, 5, 48, 2, 37, 22, 14, 40, 9, and 46. Then I'm going to go ahead and return to the main screen. All right. And so now I'm going to ask the calculator to give me summary statistics for that data set. So again, I'm going to press Stat. But now instead of editing a list, I'm going to come over to Calculate. And we're dealing with a single variable here. And I want the statistics for that single variable. So I'm going to choose number 1, 1 var stats for one variable statistics. The list I entered my information into was L1. So I'm going to go ahead and press Enter. We didn't use a frequency list this time, but a frequency list is if I had multiples of certain values, I could have put them into another list just to tell the calculator, this is how many of those I have. We didn't need to do that this time because we had all or mostly different data points. And so I'm going to ask it to calculate. And so when it calculates, it's going to give me a whole list of summary statistics. And here we can see that our sample mean X bar is 24.2. So I'm going to come over here and put in the X bar is 24.2. I can see that my sample standard deviation, SX, is equal to 15.82. So I'm going to enter that. I'm going to come over here and say 15.82. So now I have my sample mean and sample standard deviation. And we'll see this arrow here. That means I can scroll down. And now I can get my Q1, my median, and Q3. So Q1 here is 9. My median was 22. And Q3 was 40. So I'll come in here and I'll enter Q3 in as 40. And that's how I find my summary statistics on the TI-84Plus.